Hi there, this is Syed and today I'm going to be talking about how to install Ubuntu 18.04 or any other Ubuntu easily and perfect site in the description below, so you can download Ubuntu from there. So here you will see the download option. Just click the downloads and there you can see a green download button, and the bottom of this button you will see requirement of for installing Ubuntu. So just hit the green button, download now, and not now, take me to the downloads and your download will be started. After downloading Ubuntu, you have to download Power ISO. So I'll leave a link in the description below so you can download your Power ISO. Here I'm gonna download Power ISO 64-bit as I'm using 64-bit operating system, 64-bit processor. And after downloading you have to open it or install it. So I'm gonna install that Power ISO. So hit install, and after installing just close it. Now you have to insert a USB pen drive, and minimum 4 GB USB pen drive is required for making bootable USB. Now you have to open the ISO file that you downloaded from Ubuntu official website. I need to open it with Power ISO. If you don't see the Power ISO application here, you can search. As I'm using the free version, you have to wait 4 seconds and then hit continue unregistered, and then you will see something like that. Now you can make bootable USB with this ISO file. Just hit tools, then create bootable USB, and then hit OK. And then you will see a window like that, and again you have to wait for a second and hit continue unregistered, and then you will see that window. And make sure right USB drive is selected here, and then hit the start button and wait for it. It's gonna take some time, and then after that just close it. Now you can see it's only 2 MB. My 32 GB pen drive showing now 2 MB. It's not a problem. I'll show you how to solve this, how to format this drive at the end of this video, so don't worry. Now you have to restart your PC. Press the button for booting from your USB. It's F12 for me. It's maybe different for you. It can be more complex if you are using an older motherboard. Then you have to go to your BIOS, then change the boot menu, boot order. So after that you will see something like that. If you want to install that, then you can install. If you want to try Ubuntu, then you can select to try Ubuntu. And from there you have to select your keyboard layout. As my keyboard layout is English, then I'm going to select it and that hit continue. If you're installing Ubuntu 18.04, then there you will see two options: normal install and minimal install. If you don't want so many things installed to your Ubuntu, then you can hit minimal install. As I have enough space in my drive, so I'm gonna select normal install. I'll always recommend you to select a normal install, and you have to make sure that your internet connection is connected. You'll see an option in the upper right corner, and from there you can connect to your internet. Don't worry if you are unable to connect to your internet, then you can escape it, but connecting to internet is always a better option. And if your internet is connected, select download updates while installing Ubuntu and install third-party software for graphics, Wi-Fi, hardware and additional media formats. So make sure you select both of them and then hit continue. And here the most important part comes. Do not select any of them without something else. You have to select something else, then hit continue, and there you will see list of drive. Here I have no drive, just a free space. For that I am saying that if you want to create any drive, additional drive from here, you can do it from here. I'm just showing you how to create a drive from here. It's not an important part. So you can create drive. You can see I have created 2 drive here. If you come from another version of Ubuntu, then you will see your list of drive here, and if you want to install your Ubuntu to your previous drive where you installed the previous Ubuntu or previous operating system, then just select the drive and then the minus button, then it will delete delete that drive, and do not delete other drive where you kept your personal data or folder or other files. Just delete the drive where you want to install Ubuntu, then make free space. Obviously you have to make free space and then select the free space, then select the plus button, then you will see a window like that. Set the size. I will always recommend you to make at least 30 GB. Ubuntu will work if you make 12 or 15 GB, but it is always recommended to make at least 30 GB. To select a primary, you can also select a logical, doesn't matter, but primary is recommended. And the location for new partition, you have to select from beginning, and use as. From there you have to select ext4 generalizing file system, and then the important part is mount point. Here you have to select /. Do not select any of other thing, just select /. And from device from bootloader, you don't need to do any change here, just leave as it is here. It should show the full hard drive location. By default it should be selected full hard drive location. Make sure that full hard drive location is selected here. So after that you can hit the button install now, and then you will see that message. It's gonna format the following drive and partition. After that just hit continue. Then you will see option for selecting location, and just select your location and then hit continue and fill up your information and then hit continue. Now your Ubuntu is gonna install to your drive. It's gonna take time. Wait, sit tight and wait, and after completing this you will see that message. So if you see that message, just remove your pen drive and then hit the restart now, and then you will it will restart your PC, and you'll see the Ubuntu system is working on your system. So that's it. Process of installing Ubuntu is finished, completed. Now your Ubuntu should be work fine. So let's see how to fix your USB drive. So for that you have to open Power ISO again. You can get Power ISO by searching Power ISO here. I'm using Windows to do that. You can also use Ubuntu, because Power ISO is also available for Ubuntu. So I'm gonna format this drive. Just select tools and then select clean USB drive, and then hit OK, and you have to wait for a second and then continue on restart, and then just make sure your right USB drive is selected, and then just hit OK, and OK again, then close it. Now you can format your USB drive. Before that you can close that, and now just right click and then hit format. You can select NTFS-AVT or EX-AVT, whatever you want, and just hit start and then OK. I got my 32 GB USB drive back. So that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you do, don't forget to hit the like button. If you didn't subscribe yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button too. And if you have any trouble or problem, you can leave a comment below. I will